Welcome back once again with a new topic, which we are going to discuss the second part of how to draw flowchart using artificial intelligence powerful tools. Last time in the part one, I have shown you the three major AI tools where you can able to equip your skillful in drawing, how you can research and how you can add all those flowchart for your presentation, for your thesis, submitting anything. We have done about Miro, we have done Figma, and we have done Draw.io. Today, I came up with another some other tools which are also very helpful that can make you more skillful, and then you can able to use, and then you can able to see the differences. Then you can able to keep practicing which one is the best you can select, and then you can take as per your preference. So without wasting time, let us go ahead so that you can able to learn. So please do not wait, uh, miss this opportunity. Keep subscribing my podcast channel so that you can able to learn more upcoming important videos. So let us go ahead. So I'm opening the folder. So what you can do here, you can type another AI important tools which is called Lucid Chart AI. Okay, this is another tools which are very important that you should know, and you should know how to use it also. Okay, so you can here, you can find here lucidchart.com, then AI diagram. You can see these are all very important, but to make you understand, I'm coming up with this point so that you can able to understand. So let me click this. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Be a little patient so that you can learn. Um, New things, if you know, that's very good for your professional. That's very good for your, to be a very skillful person. So what you can do here, I can sign up free, or you can say login. Let me log in since I have a email, Google email. So it's better to log in. If you are not having Google email, then you can sign up. That's not a big problem. Things are changing now. It's being more faster nowadays. We should be very crucial with the upcoming days. So I'm going with Google account. Okay. If you don't want to go with Google account, you can give your email here, then you can type, then you can give your password, and then you can able to access. So that's not a big challenge. Everyone knows how to register. Just you have to click next, 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 and then you can have, you'll get the access. So there are some people who are not aware how to do, how to log in. So for them, I'm just showing that how you can log in, so that you may have much more idea how you can able to use the system. Then continue. And one more thing which I often encourage my followers and those who are looking really wants to learn to skill up yourself. That's a saying in the word. No, sometimes our ego spoils our learning. There's a saying that our sometimes our ego spoils learning. No, so our peoples are very, uh, I mean, very high in egos. So I would suggest that in learning skill, keep aside your ego, and you learn. Let people speak many things, no matter what they say. You don't care. Keep going ahead. No. Once you are having a high ego, then you'll miss out very important things to learn. So please keep especially I'm talking about the learning space, that we should avoid ego in our own self. Then only you'll learn. Even small thing can change, your knowledge. So you can use free, start free. You don't need to buy. Go for start free. It's a free access. You don't need to pay. And if you want to go for high versions, I mean like more prompt, professional. for your business, for your any type of your professional work, then I think you can subscribe the payment, and then you can able to access. But as of now it is giving free, so I would suggest you try free, since I have already given many tools to work on. So please try free tools so that you don't waste your money as well, right? So let us go ahead, it's coming. So you have an access of every organization here. Cisco network, Azure, AWS, Amazon, Google Cloud. No, it's giving really flexible. You can save in any cloud-based database where you want to save your file, and that you can able to extract later on. You can able to find your work later on if you want to reflect. Then you can do that also. So a lot of changes, lot of work you can able to do using good AI, artificial intelligence tools, which really helps you to to minimize your work, where you need to spend 2 to 3 hours to do your work. It can just finish within 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, it's just loading up. Let's see. They say press M, but you don't need to press M. See, this is the, very good, very good. If you want to paste out this, yes, it is coming out here automatically. If you want to go here, it will come automatically. Last time what we do is we need to drag out. So when you copy this, it just come out here, see. And in the same way, you can follow up the other process as well. So that's that problem. Let me just go. You can roll out. If you're the fast user, okay, you can use. You can select any rule. What rule you are. If you are in engineering, if you're a designer, you can select whatever the. If you're a students, educations, industries, and others, as per your professional, you can able to select. I'm selecting engineer since I'm an engineer. So casual user, you can say I'm a frequent user. Yes, obviously go for frequent users and all this thing, and you can copy. And then if you want to skip, you can done also, no problem. So in that way, you can able to access this platform. See here, the flexibility is much more smart and very accurate. You can change. It doesn't mean that you cannot change this word. You can change process, then a model, then you can say testing. I'm just writing to just make you familiar how you can able to use these, you know and you can also write here, say processing. Then you can type up this here, you can say results. Many ways you can make find out. And if you have a decision tree, most of us, you can zoom and zoom out. Previous one, so like having a more flexible. So it is one of my favorite. I often use all the AI tools to be more familiar myself, so that I can able to give my best presentations. Because I'm a researcher, so what I used to do is that not only learning myself, also I also help my students, and thousands of students got benefit uh, with my with my these YouTube channels. Uh, though they didn't subscribe, but they are watching it, and they are accessing and learning. So it's a very important thing that every tools and keep yourself updated. You can generate with AI also. If you want to generate with AI, suppose you want to generate, and you don't want to type all these things and waste your time. No, I have shown last time also, you can generate with AI. You can put your text, you can put your prompt out here, continue. Just try to write here, describe what you want. You just describe out here, and you can able to just wait, continue. Due to network, it is just giving little. No need to upgrade your account. It's not important. Say if you say hi Zula, hi, I'm just writing hi to make it more convenience. The more you interact, the more you understand, the more the artificial intelligence try to understand your needs. And if you want to put, last time I have put same thing, like let me take the previous. Suppose you want to draw something, you say these things. You want to draw. Uh, say machine draw machine translation. So last time I have shown that machine translation flow. Let me just open it. Okay. I don't know. So if you want, then you can type again. Let me just type newly so that you can able to access. Give I want. It's getting upgraded to GPT-5. Recently, it was released. Yesterday itself, it was released. It's a very amazing to learn new skills, new upgrade. You know, I would really say outstanding done by Sham. To be really appreciable the way how he's making the people more uh, easier in any perspective way. Thank you so much for that. So here I want a summary of how to draw a flow chart, how to draw a flow chart for, and let me just try, not for machine translation, but let me draw for a flow for CNN models. So I'm just typing as CNN models. Let me just see what the summary it gives. Based on this summary, you can able to type, you can analyze, see here how they have given identify the core components of CNN. And this is a just frame that how you should flowchart design step. See, here is the flowchart design step. What you can do, you can copy this, okay? Copy this, and then you go to your space, and you can just Control V and paste it out here. So you can write Shift Enter, give me the flowchart. So it will automatically generate. This is another flexible that you know this Lucidchart has given us to be more, and you can able to share, you can able to download easily. So when you get explore, no, it just walk out. See, this is how the flowchart shows. I mean, it can becomes more. If you want to make it bigger, you can see it bigger. How the flowcharts work here. See, it is generating it. No, so you can able to download this. See, it is more. The more you visible, the more it is stronger. It becomes more flexible. And you can able to see it. So a lot of things you can do. You can minimize the space and all these things. So I'm just cutting this as of now to make you more familiar, so that you can able to understand this. Mm. So here you can able to use AI, and you can ask anything and you can draw. See, these are how flexible it is. How flexible it is. You can design, you can move as per your convenience. You can able to modify this, and that's a big, very challenging. No, see how beautiful it is given. See how beautiful it is given. So you can use different type of model to make your presentations, make your thesis submissions to look more attractive, not only attractive but also a meaningful one. Then it will be very helpful, when you're if you are a student, if you present such things in your presentations and all these things, that will really hit out. And it's a very good chances that you get a good score, right? So you can explore this. A lot of things, tools are there that you can save, you can say it on, you can able to containers are there. A lot of containers, whatever containers you want to put. These things are very, very important, that how you should able to. If you go to file, there's an option you can export whatever exportation you want in Microsoft Word. See, you can do anything you want in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's giving you how to do that. And if you want to move out, if you want to move to trash, so there are a lot of things. If you want to export here, so you can export the data and import. So these things are giving you much more flexible how to use it. If you want to make a color and all these things, there are a lot of options are there here. Bold colors are there. How you can able to change your color. All things are available out here. You can go here. If you are new, you can select, you can see, you can view, you can insert whatever insert you want to give. If you want to insert any new page or any diagram that you need, that's a very lot of features are there. Lot of features. You can explore this as much as you want. The more you explore, the more you learn. You become more skillful. That is what I often tell my students and my fellow faculties and all these things. So you can make more feasible to this. Okay, you can try, see how wonderful you can make it. So wonderful, wonderful. So in this way, you can able to work it out. So let us go with another one without wasting much time. Let us go with another one. I often use this, but sometimes it helps me out. You know, sometimes it helps me out to make different flowchart, because if you keep looking only one flowchart, it doesn't look good. Also, if you make different flowchart and take from different frame, that becomes more good for presenting your paper, maybe a research paper, maybe a conference paper, maybe any type of. So it's very important that you follow these things. Okay. uh, Another name is whimsical AI. So this is another portion that you can use. This is another powerful tools that you can able to use. If you are a new users or anything, you can find out, you can write it here, anyone you can open. That is not a big issue. uh, this whimsical AI plays another very important crucial in designing. You can log in again, once again you can log in. If you're having email address, you can log in, keep the credential, whatever the credential they're asking, you can put that. uh, Most familiar, you can put here your email and password. But if I'm having a Google account, so I like to log in with Google account, this option is often given to every platform. That is more flexible for you to work out, so that you can able to use it. Feel happy, sometimes I feel very thinking myself that I'm being helpful to many thousands of students. So sometimes you keep me encouraged, and you keep me to go ahead, to so that one day they remember me, that they have learned something from a person. So it is the what is say my achievement, what I can say from my end. And I can say to be very positive whenever you teach someone. Sharing your knowledge is very, very important, which I often encourage my students and my fellow friends and everyone, that sharing. You can write your name out here. Just let me write your name. Uh, I'm just writing about to create a new workspace. No, so that's what I was just trying to, say that, um, be an encouraged person to your fellow friends, to your fellow work in your professional. No, the more you be helpful, the more you learn as well. No, that's a very good that you should keep yourself. That this is one another platform that you can create new. I'm going to create new here. See here, you can take project, tasks, folder, and board. You can do anything. So I'm going for board now. You can try other as well, but to make you more frequent, to make you understand, I'm going little easier so that you don't face any problem. See here now. This is much more powerful mind that you can able to, they give a lot of features out here, how you can frame, how you can use. See, this also gives another challenges, that how you're going to use them in a better way. So this is also another platform which gives you a lot of option here, how to, if you want to put sticky notes, what type of notes you want to put out here, you can write. Then give you the task mode. And if you want to text here, you can write a text, and you can put here text. It will come a lot of things you can do here. And if you want to, copy an image, then you can copy the image after creating. I'm talking about, you explore this. After creating, you can copy an image, you can copy, you can save. And icons are out here, whatever icons you want the arrow icons. And things search. If you want the search icon, you can go and see a lot of things are there. You can able to follow up whatever of icons you want to give. This becomes more 3D types of flowchart, which gives you more colorful. You don't need to do your own coloring. It gives its own color. So you can able to explore these all these things, whatever you want here. See, a lot of credentials are there, a lot of things you can use, many type of things. Your technologies, you are applying for technologies type. See, these are things you can able to apply. It gives a good platform to design and to frame out what type of. They have added a lot of features out here, which is what I love to use these AI tools. This is why I love these Wim scale AI tools to to explore myself and then make it more impactful and looks more beautiful also. It gives more attractive observations, and you can able to explore these things. So these things are very important that you should go through, see as part of your convenience. If you're looking for food and all these things, people start making this type of uh, flowchart, and then after making this flowchart they make it online, and most of them are earning as well. They're making good flowchart. The freelancers are making good flowcharts, designing, and they are sharing the online in their personal LinkedIn and all these things, and people get attractive, and they give them the tasks to do, and by that they earn some good amount of money to at least survive themselves. So you can use for your business purpose, you can use for your project, you can use for your presentation, you can use for your a lot of things you can use in every perspective where you want to apply it. So the more you play, the more you learn, the more you explore, it will be much more good for you to go ahead and to be more skillful. Okay, since time is running out for me, so I'm just showing you another. Keep exploring, as the methods are all the same thing. That's why I'm not showing the full diagram how to do it. You can explore by using all these things. When you try your own, you become more powerful. Then you'll know how to explore. But one thing is that try at least one. Try at least one, that you after that you decide which one you want to use the tools. It's up to you, right? Going to another tools name, let me go to another tools, which is very important, where I cannot skip. Creately, sorry, Creately AI. This is another important tools that where you can able to use um, a wonderful tools that you can explore. So I'm showing you, see, a lot of things that you can able to. Last time I have shown you three important tools. Today again I have shown you the in this part two, so that you can able to explore all these things. Uh, Try to know more what type of tool you can apply. That's why I often encourage my students as well, that you please be serious, because a lot of things just are coming up, getting upgraded. And I also encourage my fellow friends, my colleagues and all that. A lot of things you can do nowadays. You just need to be skill up yourself and know what are the important things coming up, right? So I'm keeping here login. You can do the same thing. You can log in, and then you can log in with your Google account. If you don't have, then you register, sign up. Then you can go ahead with your sign up, and you can create your account. Create an account is there here. You can create an account daily, and then you can use their accessibility. Okay, but it is very important that you create an account to get you know the free versions that you can able to use it. Okay, so here sign up with Microsoft. If I'm signing up with Microsoft, then again I forgot my password, so I'm waiting for this is where I was waiting for. Sign in with Google. Okay, none ever signed with Microsoft. If you are, most of you people doesn't remember the Microsoft, right? Even me, I face most of the time, whenever I open, whenever I want to update my system, I often forget my Microsoft password. I current don't remember, so it faced me a lot of challenges, to again create and then all these things. So you might be facing the same problem. So I would suggest not to do that. And let's see one more very important. Keep stable, be constant, wait. When you have a patient, you really learned. You know, People, we nowadays we are very lag in patience. We want faster, faster, very faster in everywhere. Be fast. I want the work very fast. That's why I'm here to help you out, to make your work very fast. Okay, so sometimes it's very interesting. See the personal team and all these things. Okay, last time I have upgraded, I have used this last time, so they are asking me to pay for it. Clearly it is very important, but I won't suggest you to pay as of now. You know, a lot of AI tools, entrepreneurship you can do, upgrade yourself. Since they are asking me upgrade, because I already accessed many times, so maybe that limitation has gone. If you want to go, you can go continue with free plan. This is given here. Continue with free plan. So you can click out here. So giving you the opportunity, giving you the explore, you know, to get explore with the systems, with their platform. So that's why I really like, at least they give us the opportunity to explore their platform, to learn it. These are the very important that you we should know. That is what I just want to say. You know, since my time is running out, so that's why I was just trying to, do faster. Uh, I'm not only coming to my podcast channel, but I have a lot of works. Those who know me, they know me very well. What I'm doing and how busy I am. But keeping this small time for you all, so that you could learn, or giving this time so that you can able to be more equipped. That's what I was really concerned about. Network issue. These three important tools you can explore, which I have already discussed you all. These three things you can explore. You can make it more feasible. You can able to use. For you can give all these details as what I have said. You are looking for your professional work. You are looking for personal use. You are looking for learning and teaching. Since I'm a teacher, I'm just clicking this learning and teaching, and then continue. Then I'm a teacher. If you're a student, so you can relate to students. I'm a teacher, so I'm giving a teacher. So there are a lot of things you can give as part of your diagram or flowchart, organize a project. So what do you want to do first? I just want to diagram or flowchart. Okay, so I'm just keeping this. You can explore more. There's an optional. You don't need to go back, but you can do there and get this flexibility, the credential which is already given there in the platform. You can organize a project. You can plan the strategy. You can evaluate a lot of things. A lot of things. It's a very interesting and very good to explore, huh? So I hope those who are following me, I hope you are really skilling up yourself in many important AI tools. And let us go with blank workspace so that I can draw the new one. So coming with a new page, all of them give the same skip up, but the thing is the little difference are there. You can lot of things, and they give export the diagram. You can export as per a convenient. If you want the template, you can click here template, whatever template you want. If you explore this, it will be much more easier for you to understand. Since my network is little slow, it's taking time to load. A lot of templates you can use here. Okay, your flow chart, see here a lot of templates, whatever templates you want to see. This will be coming up, a lot of ideas you'll get. What are the templates are coming out? You can use this photo of this template, and different types of things you can use. Some are not free, so I'm not. So here now you can use, you can apply, you can click and then utilize your thing. If you want to draw, again the same thing happen here. You can save up, you can use connectivity. A lot of arrow things you can do. If you skip up here, a lot of things you can able to use coming up. Explore yourself. Tables are there. You can also write your table. Sometimes we take times in making table, so it's a very easy that few features are being added. If you make a color, you can make a color point, so you can drag and then you can go ahead. Connectivity and a lot of things. See, I'm just clicking on. You can use all of these popular shapes which you want to. Okay, you can save, you can access, you can find a lot of things you can do out here. And it is very easy to export here. Just you have to export in png file, jpg file, or csv file. As if you want to share, you can share. As of now, you don't go for upgrade. So enjoy it, try once, right? Thank you everyone for following and being patient. We'll look forward, keep following my channel. I'll come up with more AI tools, with powerful AI tools, so that uh, you become more excellency and upgraded with the more powerful AI tools. Keep following me, subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.